how to give Robux to your friends in Roblox in 2026. So hey guys, let's get started. In order to do this, what you have to do is open Google Chrome and search for Roblox and then sign in your account. Then what you have to do is click on create, and once you click on create, it will load up it, and you have to click on this button. After this, you have to create an experience. I already made one, so I won't create any other experience. I'm just gonna go on this one. So just click on your experience, and once you do this, you have to find for monetization, and under monetization you'll find passes. Click on this passes button and click on create a pass. Once you do this, you have to name this like anything, gift to friend, and then save and just click on create pass. Once you do this, now you have to click on gift to friend and click on sales. And now so I'm gonna write 50 here and click on save changes. Once you do this, click on proceed, and the pass updated successfully would become. Now what you have to do is go back to your Roblox account. Once you're back onto your Roblox account homepage, now you have to select which friend do you want to send Robux to. So for my case, I only have one friend added. Just click on your friend and then click on creations, and then click on the first experience you see here. Once you do this, then click on your store, and remember you created a pass for 50 Robux to send to your friend. It will show you your pass here. So this is how you can send Robux to your friend in 2026. So yeah, this is it for today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.